Hello dear students, myself Dr. Nirav Soni and today we will discuss about the chapter number 4 reproductive health NEET MCQ. First, we will discuss about the first MCQ. You can see here on your screen. Choose the correct option from A, B, C. What is A, what is B and what is C? You can find the figure. What is A, what is B and what is C? So you can see here A is a condom, B is a copper T and C is an implant. So option A should be right over here. Second MCQ. Select the hormone releasing intrauterine device. This is called IUD. Intrauterine device. Hormone releasing. Classify the IUD. There are three types of IUD: non-medicated, medicated and hormonal IUD. Hormonal IUD which containing progestasert and LNG20. What is the full form of LNG20? This is called levonorgestrel. You can see the figure, progestasert inserted in the uterus part. Next, what is MTP? MTP stand for. You can find the among all the option A, B, C, D. What is the correct option regarding the MTP? Medical termination of pregnancy. Option A should be right over here. You can see the figure, MTP Act. Match the following column. Column 1 and column 2. Option A, B, C, D and you can join the 1, 2, 3, 4 option. Over here. Amniocentesis, reproductive tract infection, syphilis and gonorrhea. What is amniocentesis? To find out the sex determination. The option A which containing 3. Then reproductive tract infection. This is called venereal disease. It is also called as RTI, STI, reproductive tract infection, sexual transmitted infection, or it is called sexual transmitted disease, STD as well. Syphilis. Syphilis, the main symptoms of syphilis, the deformation of joints and paralysis. And gonorrhea, the baby of infected person born blind. The option A should be right over here. Now, you can see also gonorrhea sign and symptoms on your screen. Gonorrhea, it is caused by the Neisseria gonorrhea. It is caused by the bacterial infection. You can see the different types of sign and symptoms. Lower abdominal pain, pelvic region, bleeding between the periods in females, spotting after the intercourse in females, greenish yellow white discharge private parts and penis, conjunctivitis like related to inflammation in your eyes, swollen gland in the throat due to oral sex. This is the figure related to amniocentesis. To identify the sex determination as well as to find out the genetic disorder in the presence of newborn baby. Next, from the sexual transmitted diseases mentioned below, identify the one which does not specifically affect the sex organ. Syphilis, AIDS, gonorrhea and genital warts. To find out the disease which does not specifically affect the sex organ. Option B, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Syphilis containing the different types of sign and symptoms like white spot on the tongue, white spot on the penis, gonorrhea also pelvic region inflammation, genital warts which containing the warts like structure in the genital part or rectal part. This is called cauliflower structure. cauliflower structure like warts, genital warts caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. Next, match the following column. Option A, B, C, D, and to find out the correct option 1, 2, 3, 4. Collected gametes are made from the zygote in the laboratory. Zygote and early embryo with the 8 blastomeres are transferred into oviduct. Zygote with more than 8 blastomeres is transferred into uterus. Zygote and early embryo with the 8 blastomere is transferred into oviduct. This is called oviduct zygote intrafallopian transfer. Fusion of the gametes in the female reproductive tract. This is called fusion of the gametes in the female reproductive tract. This is called in vivo fertilization. Collected gametes are made from the zygote in the laboratory. This is called IVF technology. The option A should be right over here according to the correct option. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within the 72 hours. This is unwanted 72. This is iPill. It is a marketed formulation present in our regulated market. Piramal Healthcare and Mankind Company. You can find here. Both which contain the Levonorgestrel tablet according to the British Pharmacopoeia. What do you mean by BP? British Pharmacopoeia. This is emergency contraceptive pill are effective if used within 72 hours of coitus or sex. Unprotected sex. The option A should be right over here. Next MCQ, match the following column. A, B, C, D, and to find out the column 2, option 1, 2, 3, 4, to find the correct option respectively. Government legalized entry in 1971. Option B should be right over here. Family planning introduced in India in 1951. Nirod is a barrier method. Nirod is a one type of condom. It is a marketed name, popular marketed name in India. And Mala D and Mala N both are hormonal method. The option B should be right over here. Next, match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Option A, B, C, D, and to find out the correct option 1, 2, 3, 4. Syphilis, genital herpes, AIDS and gonorrhea. Syphilis, which contain the VDRL test. AIDS, which containing the ELISA test, enzyme linked immunosorbentase. What is the full form of VDRL test? Venereal Disease Research Laboratory. Venereal Disease Research Lab. This is called VDRL. It is used to identification and diagnosis of the syphilis. AIDS, which contain the ELISA. Full form of ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbentase. Also one technique is also used. This is called AMIT, enzyme multiplied immunotechnique. And also WB test, Western blot technique to identification of AIDS. The option B should be right over here. You can see the rapid kit 1 test, rapid test, syphilis VDRL test in given figure. This is called RPR, rapid identification test, rapid antigen test, RPR. Match the following sexually transmitted disease column 1 with their causative agent in column 2 and select the correct option. Gonorrhea, syphilis, genital warts and AIDS. AIDS is caused by HIV. Option D, which containing A. Genital warts caused by the human papilloma virus HPV. C4. Option A should be right over here. This is the structure of human papilloma virus. It is caused genital warts, cauliflower-like structure in the genital parts, external part as well as internal part. This is the structure of gonorrhea. You can see the structure of gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, it is caused by the bacteria, Neisseria gonorrhea. This is the structure of Neisseria gonorrhea bacteria. You can see on your screen. Now, let us discuss a new MCQ. Contraceptive Saheli. It is an IUD, increase the concentration of estrogen and prevent the ovulation of females. Saheli. Central Drug Research Institute. It is present in Lucknow. It is present in the Lucknow Central Drug Research Institute. So what is the mechanism of Saheli? Saheli is a contraceptive medicine to block the estrogen receptor in the uterus and preventing eggs from the getting implanted. It is not a postcoital contraceptive. The main mechanism of Saheli to block the estrogen receptor in the uterus and preventing the eggs from the getting implantation. The option C should be right. This is called non-steroidal drug. Oral contraceptive pill once in a week. Next, in case of a couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? This is your previous year examination question. Very low sperm count. Very low. It is not a low, very low sperm count. They use the artificial insemination technique. Option C should be right over here. This is called artificial insemination technique. If it is a low count, low sperm count, then you should go for the intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI. But there may be a chances of fertilization problem. If fertilization problem occurs, then you should go for the intracytoplasmic sperm injection and go for the plasmogamy and then go for the karyogamy. After completion of two process, you will get a zygote. Match the following column: oligospermia, azoospermia, cryptorchidism, oophoracystosis and oophoritis. So what is the correct option? Oligospermia, decrease the sperm count. Option A, which containing 3. Azoospermia, absence of living sperms. Azoospermia. Cryptorchidism, this is called testis does not descend in the scrotum sac. This is called Cryptorchidism. Option C, which containing the correct option in column 2, 5. Which of the following cannot be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? Amniocentesis is a technique to identify the sex determination as well as the genetic disorder in the presence of new fetus in the embryo sac. So, what are the diseases detected by amniocentesis technique? This is called Klinefelter syndrome, is a genetic disorder. Sex of the fetus, Down syndrome is also a genetic disorder. But jaundice is not a genetic disorder. So, cannot be detected in a over here. So, option D should be right over here. This is called Klinefelter syndrome. This is Down syndrome in a baby. You can see the symptoms of Down syndrome: small nose, mouth and ears, slightly bent fifth finger, short, stocky build, flat, round face, white spot on colored part of eyes, almond shape eyes with skin fold covering inner corner. This is the symptoms of Down syndrome. What is the full form of IUD over here? This is different types of IUD: non-medicated IUD, medicated IUD, and third one is called hormonal IUD. You can see the different IUD: lips loop, non-medicated IUD, Chinese stainless steel ring, also a IUD, and prototypes IUD. Different types of IUD you can see in the figure. But IUD, it is also called as intrauterine device. Not a not a development, it is a device to put in the uterus. Implant, the progesterone and progesterone estrogen combination are used by the females usually under the, you can see the figure and to find out the correct answer according to the figure. This is the very easy question and easily identify where it is put. Skin of the inner arm above elbow. This is called implant. The example of implant is called Norplant. It is widely used in the prostitution. Next, the figure indicates the which contraceptive device over here. You can find the figure and to give the correct answer. This is the condom for female. Female plus condom is equal to phenodome. Female plus condom is equal to phenodome. You can see the figure, how to wear female condom. Lactation amenorrhea is effectively only up to a maximum of blank month: 2 months, 4 months, 6 months and 8 months. Maximum 6 months or minimum 3 months. You can see the process of the lactation amenorrhea. The nipple stimulation, milk production, let down, suppress of the ovulation. That's why it's called amenorrhea. You can see the proper mechanism of the lactation amenorrhea to affect the menstrual cycle and to stop the ovulation within 6 months or up to 6 months. Minimum 3 months or maximum 6 months. Blank is a popular brand of condom of males. Condom is made up of rubber sheath, latex material, viscous material to prevent the fertilization process, to prevent the entry of sperm into female vagina. It is popular brand in our India. This is called Nirod. Option B should be right over here. What is LNG20? LNG20 is a levonorgestrel. It is a hormonal based IUD. The option C should be right over here. It is not a fuel. It is not a modified crop. It is not a copper releasing IUD. Copper releasing IUD which containing copper T, copper 7 and multi-load 375. LNG20 is a hormonal based IUD intrauterine device. Motivational of the smaller families in India can be provided by which slogan? Which type of rules? You can see the figure and identify the proper correct answer. Slogan like हम दो हमारे दो. It is also correct. Raising marriageable age, female 18 years and male 21 years. Option B should be right also over here. Giving the incentive to couples with small families, incentive. Also here, the option D should be right over here, all of the above. It is a motivational for small families in India can be provided by slogan हम दो हमारे दो. Raising the marriageable age, female 18 years and male 21 years respectively, giving the incentive to couples with small families. So all are the correct option. You can see the figure. Save childhood, बाल विवाह अभिशाप. The following statements are given regarding the MTP. Choose the correct option given below. MTP are generally advised during the first trimester. It is also correct. MTP are used as a contraceptive device method. No. MTP are always surgical. No. MTP are the assistants of qualified medical personnel. Yes, medical personnel. MTP are not always surgical. Some type of medication we can give to correct and to find out the proper way. Okay, which type of way are suitable for female, either surgical or medicated. So you can not say here कि MTPs are always surgical. So option C should be right over here. 1 and 4 both are correct. Either MTP, surgical or medicated. Next, which of the following approaches does not give the defined action of contraceptive? To find out the proper figure and give the correct answer over here. Barrier method, IUD, hormonal contraceptive, vasectomy. Contraceptive method. Does not give the defined action of contraceptive. Barrier method to prevent fertilization. Intrauterine device increase the phagocytosis process. Hormonal prevent the retard entry of sperm, prevent ovulation and fertilization, and vasectomy to prevent spermatogenesis. Does not give the defined action of contraceptive. Option D should be right over here. Which of the following is not a sexual transmitted disease? You can find पाँच मिनिट लेक्चर रेकॉर्डिंग Which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? Syphilis, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, trichomoniasis, and encephalitis. You can see the figure. This is called encephalitis. Option D should be right over here. This is not a sexually transmitted disease. This is an inflammatory disorder in the brain. What does the given below figure depict in particular? You can find the figure and to give the correct answer. To cut the fallopian tube and tie up, this is called tubectomy. Option C should be right over here. In vitro fertilization is a technique that involves the transfer of which one of the following into a fallopian tube? To find out the proper word, in vitro fertilization, this is called IVF technique that involves the transfer of which one of the following into fallopian tube? Embryo only up to 8 cell stage? No. Either zygote or early embryo up to cell stage? Yes. Embryo of 32 stage, this is called implantation stage. You cannot find in the IVF technique. IVF technique only for fertilization outside of the body, that's why it's called in vitro. Zygote not only, either zygote or early embryo up to 8 cell stage. Not we can consider is a zygote. It is a zygote as well as or early embryo up to 8 cell stage. If it is a it become 32 cell stage, then go for the implantation process. Then IUT technique are used for the implantation. Intrauterine transfer. This is not considered in IVF technique. An ideal contraceptive should be. This is a very easy question. User friendly, easily available, effective and reversible with nor or least side effect. So option D, all. ABC only, AD and BNC only, and option D. The technique called the gamete intrafallopian transfer is recommended for those female. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. You can see the figure. The females who cannot produce an ovum. This is called gift technique. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, you can see the word intrafallopian, not in uterus. Whose cervical canal is too narrow to allow the pass of sperm, not allowed to pass for the sperm. Who cannot provide the suitable environment for fertilization. These all are wrong. The option A should be right over here. Choose the right one among the statement in given below. This is called IUD technique. IUD are generally inserted by the user herself. Wrong. IUD increase phagocytosis reaction in the uterus. IUD separate gametogenesis. IUD once inserted need not to be replaced. The option B should be right over here. The IUDs are increase the phagocytosis process and kill the sperms reaction in the uterus to provide the high acidic environment, releasing of copper. If for some reason, this is called application based question, the vasa referentia in the human reproductive system get blocked and the gamete will not be transported from. If you can see the figure and find out the correct option. If for some reason vasa efferentia in human reproductive system, vasa efferentia, this is called vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, this is called block The gamete will not be transported from gamete testis to epididymis. This pathway is blocked. That's why it's called, we can say that testis does not transfer to sperm into epididymis. The option D should be right over here. Every blank person in the world is an Indian. You can see the answer on your screen already. Every sixth person in the world is an Indian. Did you know that? Next, the test tube baby means. What do you mean by test tube baby? Fertilization development, not a development in uterus. Test tube baby, this is called intra-fallopian transfer technique. So, we can not say in the uterus. A baby grown in test tube, not. The fertilization occurs in the test tube, but baby grow in uterus. The fertilization in vitro, but then transplantation into uterus. The option B should be right over here. One of the legal method of the birth control is. Legal method of the birth control is by having the coitus at time of daybreak. No. By premature ejaculation during the coitus. This is wrong sentence. Abortion by taking inappropriate medicines. This is your proper match the sentence according to the question. By abstaining from the coitus from 10 to 70 days of menstrual cycle. This is not a legal method of control. The option C should be right over here. Abortion by taking an appropriate medicine like mifepristone and misoprostol. This is called ideal contraceptive drug. Mifepristone and misoprostol. And to get abortion, select the hormonal releasing intrauterine device, IUD. Hormonal releasing IUD. Progestastat and LNG20. Option D should be right over here. Given below 4 methods A to D and their method of action 1 to 4 for the contraceptive, the pill, condom, vasectomy and copper T. To find out the correct option. What is vasectomy? Semen contains no sperm. Option C should be right over here. The pill which prevent the ovulation, and condom to prevent the sperm reaching the cervix. It is a one type of barrier method. When inserted into penis in the vagina, it is a one type of barrier method. It is made up of plastic sheath layer. So transfer of sperm into vaginal cervix, you cannot. World Population Day is celebrated on. You can see the answer. World Population Day, 11 July. Option 2 should be right over here. A wise way to encourage small families by raising the marriageable age of female and the male blank respectively. 18 and 21. You can see the all chart in different countries in different marriageable age respectively. The option C, option 3 should be right over here. Match the column 1 and column 2. You can find the figure. Population is stable. Stable is equal to 1 is equal to A which containing 2. Population is increasing. Why? Population is increasing. Natality is increasing. This is called birth. Mortality, this is called death. Immigration, population is increasing. You can see the plus sign. The natality and immigration is increasing. Natality, the birth, and I, B plus I is increasing. Then the D plus E. The option B containing 1. The option A should be right over here. You can see the minus sign. Minus sign, they decline the growth rate of the population. Match the column 1 and column 2, select the correct option. This causes spermicide gel to kill the sperms. STD, sexual transmitted disease. VDRL test. Spermicide to kill the spermatozoa. Option 4 should be right over here. Birth control method to help the infertile couple, and IUT, intrauterine transfer, which containing the copper T. IUT, option D should be right over here. Match the column 1 and column 2, select the correct option. Hepatitis B, Saheli. Normal functioning of the reproductive organ, World Health Organization, ELISA technique. So hepatitis B, Saheli, SEDI, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. World Health Organization, 7th April 1948. ELISA technique to identification detection of antigen antibody. The option A should be right over here. This is your chapter number 4 MCQ. It is very easy for today. You can read the NCERT so many times to find the correct word, to find out the proper word, proper sentence, and this chapter which contains so many full form. So you should remember always in your mind and also ear. Thank you, students. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share this video in your group circle. Thank you, students.